Looking at the current situation in Nigeria, I know we have our investors that they are skeptical about where to invest their money, especially real estate investment in Nigeria. But I will tell you, calm down. You are in safe hands. In Salesville Property, this is what we know how to do best. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Salesville Property channel. If you're seeing this channel for the first time, yes, kindly follow us now and turn on your bell notification. So it's about real estate, and this is what we stand for, especially in Nigeria.
Despite the economic situation in Nigeria right now, and there are a lot of scams and all of that, so people are skeptical. But I want to know, and I want all our viewers to know, if there is still chance for people to make their money work for them. I mean, genuine platforms where people can make their money work for them.
There are a lot of platforms, yes, legal one. I'm not talking about what I don't know now. I am actually talking of what our investor they've invested, they've gotten their money back in capital and ROI. So this platform really work. We call it real estate cashback. The cashback, we've been going for over 5 years. And we keep doing the same thing. We are not doing anything new. We are into construction, selling land in like 4 states in Nigeria. We talk about Abuja, Lagos, Enugu, Ogun states. And it's still the same thing we are doing, because one thing about this, in this real estate, we've seen some people, some developer, they actually started well. But at the end of the day, they still fall into problems. But for this company, been going for over 5 years. And people, they've been investing. Some people, they invested towards their children's school fees. Some invested towards buying properties. Some invested to just make that money and to only spend their profits, not the capital, not their money. See, I am just talking about the real estate cashback. And what I want to focus more is, what are we doing differently? We are doing a lot of things differently. And that is why we have never defaulted. And not this time we will start defaulting people. This month, we are doing 40% return on investment just for 20 days. That was actually what we did last month, the month of July. It was 21st to 31st of July. The ROI went back to 35%. And exactly that is what we are doing for this August. The return on investment for this August is 40% from now till 20th of August. From 21st to 30th, then it will move back to 35%. We believe this. 2 properties cannot give you the same profit. Exactly. 2 properties cannot give you the same profit. This is where we are. Because we have projects that we are doing that can only give you 35% return on investment. And another one we are doing can only give you 40% return on investment. This is not make money quick rich. I'll tell you, it's real estate. And we just need to do all this calculation. So at the end of the day, everybody is fine. You make your money, the company make their money, and everybody is fine. 40% return on investment. So the minimum investment we are telling you is 500,000. Because we want everybody to invest. Now, investing 500,000, at the end of 12 months, you will have 200,000 profits without you paying any bills. Because I have this question, oh, the money is small, I can now give you 500,000 now, and in 12 months, you'll be giving me 700,000. That is 200,000 ROI. Let me use the money to do business. I will tell you the business that you want to do cannot give you 200,000 profits. Because from there, you will do transport fare. Okay, let's say for example, you want to invest in something. You need to remove your transport fare as expenses. You need to do the bills. If it's company that you pay bills, you pay NEPA bills, you pay water bills, you pay a lot of bills. So how can you make 200,000 on 500,000 of your capital? And it goes like that. The minimum investment is 500,000. The maximum investment is what you can afford. Yes, we'll display the flyer now so that you can see how much you can make. And that is why cooperative, they cannot leave this alone, because that is where they are generating money. Or are you saying leaving your money in the bank is the one generating profit for you, money for you, or you are doing stocks? I still read something this morning that people are running away from bank stocks, something like that, because they've generated almost 1.6 trillion losses. And here we are telling you, come and do real estate cashback. Real estate cashback is real estate investment. What do? We look for strategic location to buy land in bulk. See, this is simple arithmetics, simple mathematics. You know, when you are buying things in bulk, you buy it at lesser price. I don't want to shout now. You can see my voice now is down. You know, when we are buying things in bulk, we buy at lesser price. And that is exactly, we are buying this in bulk. Landed property like Tiwa Garden Phase 2 is 25 hectares of land. So this land is in billions of naira. You know, what we are telling you is this: invest with us. Let's do all the infrastructure and the money will go up. That's the way we are getting our profits. Let's say, for example, we are buying from government 10 million naira. You cannot go to the government that, government, I want to buy land, one plot of land. They won't sell it. They won't sell it to you. So you still need to come to us to buy this in square meter. Either you want to buy 500, 300 square meter, 1,000 square meter, or above. This is where we are generating money. This is not raw Peter people. And we want you to take advantage of this, that you can make your money work for you. Stop leaving that 100 million in the bank and it's doing nothing. And for all my investors, dollar there, dollar there. Dollar is volatile. And what you cannot have control over cannot be your investment. It's good to keep your money in dollars, but you can change some and start growing your wealth in this naira. Because I've had this question, can I do this in dollar? I will tell you, you can't do it in dollar, because I know you want your profits in dollar. So please, we can't do that in dollar. But you can change some amount to naira. Then you start trading with it. I have investors, they've been trading this for over 3 years, 4 years, and we're fine. We have never defaulted, and we will not default. We have never defaulted. We have backing of Lagos State Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Cooperative to say we are not just newbies, like we are just looking for money. We are not using your money to test run anything, because we have partners. We have partners, the Dangote Cooperative, they've been investing with us. For over 3 years now, they've been with us. What about other cooperatives? You can read it. I just display it now. You can read it. They are a group of people. And we are extending this to you, that if you are individual, you can invest and get 40% return on investment. Do the calculation yourself. I'll still display the flyer to see everything. And whenever we are saying we will give you 40% return on investment, in fact, we are in your mind. What can we give you to make this one secure that your money is safe with us? We give you 4 documents. We give you receipts, post-dated check, investment certificate, and deed of agreement. So if you want to do more than 500 million, we can still give you bank guarantee. Just to let you know that we are here to stay. We are not just eat and run. And that is why I can confidently sit here today and still tell you, come and invest in real estate cashback, and you will earn 40% return on investment. You have limited time to do this. From today to 20th of August, if you come 21st of August, the ROI will be 35%. This is the best time to invest in real estate cashback. We have a lot of success story. You can call the number display on your screen to get a lot. We have a lot. Nothing missing from the time that we've started this. We have never defaulted. We've been on the track. We can send you everything. For this year, our total valued assets is over $300 million. So I can tell you, the investment, that is your money you are investing now, we put it on Tiwa Garden Phase 2. So your money has address. Your money has address. Your investment has address. And we are here to give you 40% return on investment. If you need more clarity on this, our number is displayed there. Call us right away. Don't snooze on this. Don't dilly-dally on this. We've been doing this. We have track record. Yes, it's tested. And that is why we can confidently say real estate cashback is real estate investment, and you can earn 40% return on investment in 12 months. Minimum investment is 500,000 naira, and the maximum investment is what you have. So I will tell you, check your bank accounts and do this real estate cashback. Or I should tell you, check your pockets. Maybe that money is in your pocket. Okay, check your pockets now and call the number showing on the screen. If you're coming across our channel for the first time, yes, you just need to subscribe. You don't need to pay money to subscribe. Subscribe now, turn on your bell notification, and follow us on all our social media handles. You can Google us. Yes, we are everywhere. On LinkedIn, on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok. We are everywhere. So your money has address. I will be expecting your call. Thanks for watching, and God bless you. Bye.